They are small but mighty, crucial to our ecosystem, and a symbol of nature's incredible engineering. Honeybees play a vital role in the survival of plants, animals, and even humans. But have you ever wondered what it's like to be a honeybee? Today, let's dive into the fascinating and complex world of honeybees, exploring their incredible life cycle, teamwork, and their vital role in our planet's ecosystem. The honeybee's life begins within a buzzing, thriving community, the hive. A single hive can house up to 60,000 bees, each with a specific role. At the heart of this society is the queen bee, whose sole purpose is to lay eggs, up to 2,000 a day during peak season. Worker bees, all female, perform nearly every task in the hive, from cleaning and feeding larvae to foraging for nectar and pollen. Male drones, on the other hand, have just one job: mating with the queen. It's a complex, perfectly orchestrated society where every member plays a critical role. The life of a honeybee begins as a tiny egg, no larger than a pinhead, laid carefully by the queen into a wax cell. After 3 days, the egg hatches into a larva, which is fed royal jelly for the first few days of its life. Worker bees then switch to feeding the larva a mixture of pollen and honey, known as bee bread. After about 6 days, the larva spins a cocoon, becoming a pupa. Inside the cocoon, miraculous changes occur. Over the next 12 days, the bee's body forms: legs, wings, antennae, and compound eyes, emerging as a fully developed adult, ready to serve the hive. Worker bees, the backbone of the hive, have a surprisingly diverse career. Their responsibilities change as they age. For the first few days, they clean the hive and care for the queen and larvae. Around the 10th day, they transition to producing wax and constructing combs, then move on to guarding the hive entrance. By the time they're 3 weeks old, they take on their final and most dangerous task: foraging. Flying up to 5 miles from the hive, they collect nectar, pollen, and water, navigating with remarkable precision using the sun, polarized light, and their own memory of landmarks. While collecting nectar, honeybees perform a task essential to life on Earth: pollination. As they move from flower to flower, they transfer pollen, fertilizing plants and allowing them to produce fruits, seeds, and new plants. It's estimated that 1/3 of the food we eat depends on pollination by bees and other pollinators. From apples and almonds to coffee and chocolate, we owe much of our diet to these tiny creatures. So, how do bees turn nectar into honey? Foraging bees collect nectar and store it in their special honey stomachs. Back at the hive, they pass the nectar to other bees, who chew it, breaking down its sugars. The nectar is then deposited into honeycomb cells, where worker bees fan it with their wings to evaporate excess moisture, turning it into the thick golden honey we know and love. This honey serves as the hive's primary food source, especially during winter months. Despite their importance, honeybee populations face significant threats. Habitat loss, pesticides, diseases, and climate change have all contributed to declining bee numbers. Colony collapse disorder, a phenomenon where worker bees abandon their hive, has raised alarm worldwide. Without bees, ecosystems would collapse, and food production would suffer. Fortunately, efforts are underway to protect them. From planting bee-friendly flowers to reducing pesticide use, every small action helps. Beekeepers, scientists, and conservationists are working tirelessly to ensure these incredible insects continue to thrive. The life of a honeybee is a story of hard work, resilience, and incredible teamwork. They are tiny heroes with a huge impact, reminding us of the delicate balance of nature. Next time you see a bee, take a moment to appreciate its role in our world. What steps can we take to protect them?
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts. You can press any of those videos and start watching them straight away. See you in the next one.